If your T-Mobile modem isn't turning on, start by checking the power supply. Test the outlet with another device to ensure it's functional. Inspect the power adapter for any signs of damage and verify it's securely connected to both the modem and outlet. Always use a T-Mobile certified adapter to prevent overheating or power instability. Next, check all cable connections, including Ethernet or coaxial cables. Ensure they are firmly plugged into the modem. Inspect for any bends, cuts, or corrosion that could cause signal drops. For optimal speed and reliability, consider using Cat6 or better quality cables. According to experts, power and cable issues are responsible for 40% of all T-Mobile modem complaints, making these basic checks the most efficient starting point for troubleshooting. If power and cable checks don't resolve the issue, try a modem reset. A soft reset, performed by pressing the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, clears temporary glitches without data loss. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset holding the button for 30+ seconds restores the modem to factory settings, but may require resetup. Always back up your configurations beforehand if possible. T-Mobile Support app now includes AI-powered diagnostics to assist with these steps. If the modem still fails to function after these steps, further assistance may be required. Contact T-Mobile Support for advanced troubleshooting, or consider that hardware aging or incompatible power adapters could be the cause of persistent modem failures. User reports and FCC data indicate that a significant percentage of modem issues are resolved with these basic resets and cable checks, making them essential steps before seeking professional help.